Our brothers and sisters. 5 years of unfair and unjust restrictions to the King Mombere and many of his subjects. These people were murdered, as you know, because Museveni wanted to create fear. Because he's convinced that people fear him. He doesn't know that many of us are past that level of fearing him. Because we know we'll die anyway. Okay. People were killed in Kasese. We still see those gruesome pictures of women stripped naked, tied kandoya and shot in the head. Of children burnt in houses. Of innocent citizens arrested, tied, hands and legs, and then shot dead. The most indignifying murder. Please take back our message to the people of Kasese. Tell them we stand with them. We continue to join their voices to demand for justice. But we know that we will not get that justice by only demanding for it, but we shall fight for that justice and we shall get it. Even as we speak, 5 of our comrades are in prison for no reason whatsoever. Just because they want change. Just because they love their country. Just because they think different from the dictator that rules over us. We stand with them. We continue to pursue their freedom. But I must say it is very humbling and encouraging at the same time to see you comrades walking to a house that they say the enemy has set on fire. But because you believe in this cause, you are joining us. We salute you. In the same breath, we continue to mourn our brothers and sisters that were massacred on the 18th and 19th of November last year. So, ladies and gentlemen, we all know that Dictator Museveni has not only attacked one region in Uganda, from murdering and massacring the people in northern Uganda, to those in Kasese, to those here in Buganda, and many other parts of Uganda. And in fact, he also exports violence to other countries. But because he bases here, we have to destroy him here. And we are on that mission of removing that dictator, which I'm very confident we shall succeed. Now, our brothers led by Honorable Mbaju, who is, by the way, my very good friend. Many of you didn't know that besides having served with Honorable Mbaju in the 10th Parliament, and besides him being my personal friend, Honorable Mbaju is a very good artist. And is a very good promoter of talent, especially from Kasese. And for more than 2 years, we've been recording together in our ghetto studio here. So to me, he's not a new person. Neither is he a new person to this struggle. Welcome you, Honorable. Welcome you, comrades from Kasese. Most importantly, those that are crossing from NRM. We know that some people open their eyes long before us, even long before myself. Others open them along the way, including myself. Others are still opening them. Others will open them tomorrow. At whatever time somebody sees the light, that person should be welcomed. Dr. Martin Luther King one time said, the time is always right to do what is right. So what you did is just the right thing. To you, our brothers and sisters from the FDC, we welcome you warmly. I was feeling rather awkward receiving party cards from members of the FDC, an opposition party, joining the NUP, and that's why I chose to speak about it. We welcome you. But again, we want to remind you that the task that we are all faced with, whether you are NUP, FDC, ANT, JMA, DP, etc., is to remove Dictator Museveni from power. We are all slaves, regardless of which party you align to. Even those in the NRM. In fact, those in NRM are even worse slaves because they are blind slaves. You see, when you're a slave and you don't know that you're a slave, you're in a much worse position. One noble lady, black lady called Harriet Tubman, who back in the days freed so many slaves. She one time made a statement and said, I freed 1,000 slaves. I could have freed more if only they knew that they were slaves. So those brothers and sisters in the NRM, they don't even know that they're slaves. But by walking out of the NRM, at least you've made the first step of opening your eyes and seeing the reality for what it is. So welcome you brothers and sisters. I want you to know that these opposition parties are not enemies. We are not enemies with the FDC. We are not enemies with the DP. We are not enemies with JEMA or with ANT. We are brothers and sisters. Although sometimes there might be some contradiction that might come from supporters and sadly sometimes from leaders of these parties. But I've been saying it many times and I want to repeat it here, that the people that we are leading or the people that we purport to lead are actually way ahead of us. They know that the problem of Uganda is Museveni and Musevenism. And when we end that, we will be happy. I told it to the brothers and sisters in Kabale yesterday, where I was with part of the team and some of our foot soldiers are welcoming back from there. And I told them that the problem here in Uganda is the failure to distinguish between a dictatorship and a democracy. In a dictatorship like the one here in Uganda, a person that does not say what those in power are saying is treated as an enemy. And every evil is done unto them. That's not how a democracy operates. In a democracy, you are different political parties or different political linings, but you are not enemies. Somebody not thinking like the way you think does not make him or her your enemy. And when you don't see them as your enemy, yes, you compete in terms of ideas and ideologies. And when somebody who is competing with you wins, it's okay, because you know they are not your enemy and neither are you their enemy. So it's no trouble when you don't win or when they win. But because we are under a dictatorship, when you are from a different political ideology, they will see you as an enemy. And they will do anything possible under the sun to see that you don't win. Even when it means breaking the law, even when it means illegally incarcerating you or even killing you. That is exactly what Museveni is doing. And that is why we must remove him. And that is why we are removing him. I have to make it very clear, brothers and sisters, because we run a risk of being seen as grasshoppers fighting in a bottle, and yet they are all going to be cooked and eaten. However, we also welcome you to the National Unity Platform, because this is a party that sprang out of a political movement. Initially, we were welcoming, like we do, of all political linings. But when we went to elections, we had to find an identity. Which identity we couldn't find with any of the existing parties. As all of you saw, they all rejected us. And therefore, that was the birth of the National Unity Platform Party. But remember, we are people power and we are driven by the power of the people. I've constantly said it that if we lose the mandate of the people, then we shall have no reason to exist anymore. For us, we are servants. We are not bosses. The bosses are the people that give us the mandate. We are nothing without the endorsement of the people. So everything that you are should be a reflection of the people. Those poor men and women that dig in gardens, those people that suffer with the floods, those are the people we serve. we are servant leaders. I'm very happy that most of you are leaders and you're joining the ranks of leaders. I'm humbled that you're joining us at a very critical time. Many politicians or political players join us during electioneering time. This is when you would expect so many people to join us because they want, to get into positions of power. But you're joining us in the most quote-unquote dangerous time. When the dictator wants to finish us, and you are saying, if they're finishing us, let them finish us together. Honorable Mbaju, we don't take that for granted. To see that we have brothers and sisters from as far as Rwenzururu that are ready to go to jail with us, to be beaten with us, to be tear gassed with us, to die with us. We can only guarantee you that we shall, all through our lifetimes, ensure that we prove to you that you did not make a wrong decision, comrades. Let's keep running. Let's keep doing everything possible to remove this guy. Because remove him we must. Or else we are slaves eternally. We continue to stand with our brothers that are in prison. Our 5 brothers from Kasese who committed no crime whatsoever. We continue to demand for the unconditional release of our brothers and sisters that were arrested and many of them abducted and are being kept in known and unknown prisons. Many of them are in Chitalia. We have Oliver Lutaya, we have Kalanzi, we have Machete, we have the Segujas, many of our brothers and sisters. We can't forget them. The regime thinks they can keep our brothers and sisters in prison and life will be normal again. No, it will not be normal. There's no reason why 3 months later, members of parliament like Honorable Sejirinya and Honorable Sewanyana are still in prison. Museveni is trying to plant fear in us. I salute all of you gallant comrades that have not yielded to that fear. We are not going to fear Museveni, we are not going to fear you because we are not your slaves. We are Ugandans. You can arrest us, you can beat us, you can pepper spray or tear gas us, you can even kill us, but you cannot kill all of us. No, you cannot. So spread the message. Give confidence to our people. I know you people from Kasese are super tough. Yeah. Send our greetings to our beloved Honorable Winnie Kiza, my very good friend. Send our greetings to all the forces of change there, no matter which party they come from. Tell them we love them. Those who want to join us, we shall receive them with the warmest hearts. But even those that don't join us, but are belonging to other political parties that are also pushing into the same direction, removing the dictator, send them our salutations. Tell them we love them. We shall continue working with them. Let us be a symbol of unifying all the forces of change. And we know we also have forces of change in NRM. I will not mention their names. We even have people that want change in the armed forces. I will not mention their name. Ultimately, I want to assure you that we are going to remove the dictator or we shall die trying to remove that dictator. Because that's the mission of our lifetime. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I welcome you once again to the National Unity Platform. People power, our power, NUP, everywhere. Katika mbiogere muru konjo. But many of our journalists here don't understand the language. So, gatuli feka. Ate wangambe nenkube hizo kongera netonya. So, tusanyuse nnyo balaba mikwano gyange. Manyi nti abamu ku mmwe mumanyi Oluganda. Naye njagala ne baganda bange batategeera nnyo Oluzungu bamanye nti mu bigambo bye njogedde ekisinze ekibadde kyakubaaniriza tubaniriza nnyo. Honorable Mbajju njagala okwebaza olwa byonna by'obadde okola, byonna by'oli mukola ne byonna by'ogenda okukola olw'eggwanga lyaffe. Bangi temumanyi Honorable Mbajju si kubeera nti twasabinga ffena mu paalamenti y'ekumi, naye mukwano gwange ate muyimbi Nakinku, era tubadde tulikodinga naye n'abayimbi abava e Kasese mu studio yaffe awo mu ghetto okumala emyaka egisukka mu 2. Naye ku mulundi guno ate ndi musanyufu nnyo nti gwe ne b'okulembedde musazeewo ate tukolagane even more closely. Si kumanyagana nange nzeka wabula ne family yonna eya People Power ne National Unity Platform tubaaniriza nnyo. Twongera naffe eddoboozi lyaffe mukungubagira abaganda baffe ab'e Kasese Museveni be yatemula ng'alagira omutemu we Erweru. Bangi nnyo enamba bangi bagitankana naye nga bwetugaidinze nti mwe ababeerayo mwabala nga basukka mu 500 omwe muli abakyala n'abaana be bayambula engoye zonna ne babasiba akandooya ne babakuba amasasi ne babookera mu nnyumba ne babatta. Bangi babakwata ne babasiba era bangi bakyali mukomera. Naye ate ekisinga okulaga obujoozi nti kabaka weeyo Charles Wesley Mumbere akyali mukomera takkirizibwa yadde ogenda okulaba ku bantu be. Kati beebyo Obote bye yakola Museveni avumirira Obote naye ate mu Museveni abikoze times 10. Tumanyi nti one day wajja kubeerawo obwenkanya. Tumanyi nti one day byonna bye bakoze abantu b'e Kasese, byonna bye bakoze abantu b'Abawano mu Buganda, byonna bye bakoze abantu b'Engulu, byonna bye bakoze bannayuganda bonna bajja kubisasulira one day. Bajja bisasulira. Nga Honorable Ssenyonyi bw'agambye kiyinza okutwala akabanga naye olunaku lujja kukya bajja kubisasulira. Twongera n'okungubagira abaganda baffe be batta mwezi gwa 11 omwaka oguwedde. Bangi nnyo babatta ababatta tubamanyi, eyalagira babatte tumumanyi n'okwewaana ye neyewaana, naye one day nakyo kijja kugwa. Twongera okubanja abaganda baffe bangi be bawamba, bangi bali makomera agatamanyiddwa, bangi tetuddangamu balabako, bangi batulugunyizibwa ne bamala ne babasuula ekitalya ne makomera amalala. Ba Oliver Lutaya, ba Machete, ba Kalanzi n'abalala bangi nnyo. Twongera okubabanja era tumanyi nti one day bajja kuvayo kuba tebalina musango. Museveni kyakola kusiba abantu baffe just kutulaga nti asobola okukwata omuntu nga talina musango n'amusiba. Si lunaku lumu, si wiiki emu, si mwezi gumu. Baganda baffe ba Nubian, ba Bobby Yanga, ba Eddie Mutwe bamalayo emyezi egyasukka 6. Olunaku lwaleero myezi 3 ne Honorable Segirinya ne Honorable Sewanyana bakyabakuumidde mukomera. Alowooza tujja beerabira, alowooza kijja kutiisa abantu abalala ti abano babasibye kati babeerabidde. Tetugenda beerabira ate tetugenda babaako, tujja genda maaso nga tubabanja ate tujja bafuna one day. Njagala n'okwongera eddoboozi yange okusaasira abaganda baffe abasiraamu. Mwe Museveni yabafuula abalabe. Museveni agezaako okulaga abantu nti okuba omusiraamu musango mu Uganda. Ogwo si musango. Okubeera omusiraamu si musango. In fact gye mukoma okubonyaabonya abasiraamu kijja na kuleetera n'abantu abalala okusiraamuka wano mu Uganda. Kubanga si musango. Obusiraamu ddiini ya mirembe. Be batukuzizza. Nze kennyini basiraamu be bankuza. So tewali nsonga yonna lwaki oyina okunafuya abantu olw'eddiini yaabwe. Teri nsonga lwaki oyina okubonyaabonya abantu ku lw'eddiini yaabwe. Baganda baffe abasiraamu yonna gye muli tuyimirira nammwe, tufiringa obulumi bwammwe, era njagala mmanye nti ensi yonna n'amadiini gonna gayimiridde nammwe, era nammwe mujja kufuna obwenkanya one day insha Allah. Njaga kumaliriza ng'omwera nziriŋŋana okubaaniriza abaganda baffe mwenna naddala abavudde mu NRM mwebale kulaba nti mbadde basibe naye nga temumanyi na kumanya temuli basibe. Kyogeddeko ne mbajukiza omukyalo omu yali nno omukyala yanunulanga abaddugavu abaali abasibe, naye yagamba nti nanunula abaddugavu 100 naye nandinunudde bangi nnyo okusinga kwabo singa baali bamanyi nti baddu. Kati bangi ku bannaffe tebamanyi nti basireevu, tebamanyi nti baddu. Naye sitepu esooka ey'okununula obwongo bwo kwe kumanya nti n'oli muddu. Makasikave yatugamba liberate the minds of men and then you will be able to liberate the bodies of men. Tosobola kwenunula mubiri gwo ng'obwongo bwo tobununudde. Ate kwenunula osooka kumanya nti oli musibe. Bw'omanya nti oli musibe sitepu eddako yakwenunula. So mwebale kulaba nti mbadde basibe. Ffenna tuli basibe. Aba NRM bokka batamanyi nti basibe. Kubanga bwe batomanyi nti oli musibe ojja kuwaana oyo akusibye. Ojja kuwaana oyo akunyigiriza, omuwolereze otuuke n'omufiiririra. Ne bw'omanya nti oli musibe eyo step number 1. So tubaaniriza baganda baffe abavudde mu NRM. Baganda baffe abavudde mu bibiina ebirala okuli ne FDC tubaaniriza nammwe nnyo. Naye njagala nkisimbeko essira nti bino ebibiina ebirala byonna ebibaddeyo nga bivuganya na Kyemalira si balabe baffe, abo baganda baffe, abo bakomredi baffe. Newankubadde mu ranks z'ebibiina ebyo tubeera n'obukuubagano bwendowooza nti tebutugasa. Ebiseera ebimu nga buva mu bawagizi n'ebiseera ebirala nga buva mu bakulembeze ab'ebyo ebibiina. Kyendowooza nti ekyo kyongera kusiba bantu. Ekimpa essanyu nti abantu betukulembera nga bwe tuze tukyogerako bo batusooka yodda mu maaso, bo tebali identified na kibiina kyabwe. Kuba bwe batemula owa FDC, bwe batemula owa DP, bwe batemula owa NUP, ffenna tuli basibe. Naye bannayuganda bamanyi nti bo baagala kujjako na Kyemalira olwo eddembe n'okweyagala byoke bidde mu Uganda. So njagala okkittaanya baganda bange nti kituwa essanyu okuba nti mutujoyininze tugenda kola even much closely together mu kwesigaŋŋana nga family. Nenjagala obbajukiza nti ne gye muvudde si balabe baffe. Abo mu bibiina ebyo abaagala otwegatako tubaaniriza nnyo mubagambe n'abalala bajje tukolere wamu. Naye te n'abo abatatujoyininze kasita basigala nga ba opposition mwanaatu nabo tubaagala era tuli beetegefu okukola nabo bwe baba nga bali honest nga Honorable Mbaju bw'agambye nga kyeboogera kyebategeeza era nga kyebategeeza kyeboogera. Tuli beetegefu okukolagana nabo kuba obuzibu bwaffe bwonna gye Nakyemalira. Newankubadde ekyennaku Nakyemalira ate amanyi n'okuyingira ne mu tiimu za opposition n'atukyankalanya n'atwawulayawula kubanga ate nnyo okulaba nga tukolera wamu. Njagala obbasaba mufube okukwana ab'ebibiina ebyenjawulo. Okwana obakolako omukwano so okwana kuli okwa Honorable Nyeko. Temufuna obi Honorable Nyeko. Yemu kuba nafata na wasa so agala omutuukako atukirire nze kyaliwo. At that light moment on the side, comrades, njagala obbaniriza okubasaba tukole kyonna kye tusobola. Tetumanyi buli kimu. Bw'oba olina amagezi goze nago, ebirowoozo byoze nabyo, please bring them on the table. Most of the ideas that remove dictators come from the commonest people. Bamama, temwetulako. Women are one of the most powerful forces now. We need your ideas because we want to remove the dictator by any legal and constitutional means necessary. So n'obugambo obwo mwebale nnyo okumpuliza basebo ne bannyabo, mwebale nnyo okujja kutwegattako baganda bange. Let's go ahead, save this our nation, save our people and remove Museveni and Museveni. Thank you very much for God and my country.